Mrs. Mamta Jain is an engineer who graduated from Mangalayatan University, Aligarh. Recently, he claimed the 133rd rank in IAS to become an IPAS officer at the young age of 23. While in Mangalayatan University, he lived in a nearby village. During his first year, he used to go for 4 kilometers every day to teach poor children in another village. He lived in adverse of the conditions like lack of electricity, water, cooler and other basic amenities. But with that he experienced something special. He saw people living together without formalities, festivals celebrated in enjoyment, beauty of flora and fauna at its best, changing seasons to evening walks on the trails near agricultural fields. In the third year of engineering, he started viewing things from a different perspective. He saw the changes in season and he found out that he had a dream for civil services. By third year, he found that his study tactics and his desire to work for nation could be met by entering the civil services. After that, he went to the university library to understand an article of the Hindu in complete 1 hour about the IAS examination process. He played volleyball a lot, analyzed things more vividly and studied anything which came in his way. He was not so brilliant a student, but the willpower that he would do this without any help kept him going. His policy was to dare to make his own strategies. Then, after graduation, he came to Delhi in September 2014. He made the timetable for complete 1.5 years and prepared exactly according to that. The first time was just a half-hearted attempt, but then he began off 133 in the IAS examinations, bringing pride, honor, joy and glory to his parents, Udaipur, Mangalayatan University and DPS. He followed the words of his father to work hard but never get disappointed. He always kept this in mind that even if he didn't get selected, he wouldn't go back empty-handed, he would have a complete experience with him. He strongly believes that in the end it will be our character which will define us and not some rank or post. And wants to felicitate his wonderful achievement with wishes for a bright and prosperous future.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, all our guests and dignitaries, for helping with the felicitation. Mr. Rajkumar, the father of Mr. Agam Jain, to share a few